Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we're diving deep into the Google Pixel 10, one of the most awaited smartphones of 2025. This device combines premium design, top-tier performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it an ideal choice for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Starting with the design, the Pixel 10 impresses with its sleek glass back, metallic frame, and ergonomic curves. It feels lightweight and comfortable in hand, giving it a truly flagship feel. The phone's modern and minimalistic look also adds a touch of elegance, perfect for style-conscious users. Moving to the display, the Pixel 10 features a vibrant AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid, contrast is excellent, and the smooth scrolling makes gaming, watching videos, and browsing a delight. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, the display ensures an immersive experience. The camera system is a major highlight. With a triple-lens rear camera, it captures stunning photos in any lighting, while the front camera ensures sharp selfies and clear video calls. Google's AI-powered features like Night Sight, HDR enhancement, and portrait mode make photography effortless, delivering professional-quality images every time. Performance is powered by the latest Snapdragon processor combined with optimized Android 15 software, ensuring fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and smooth gaming. The battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day even under heavy use, and fast charging minimizes downtime. Additional features like 5G connectivity, AI tools, and deep Google integration enhance productivity and entertainment. Overall, the Pixel 10 is a complete package, offering style, performance, and future-proof technology. If you want a smartphone that delivers exceptional camera quality, smooth performance, and reliable battery, the Google Pixel 10 is a perfect choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more unboxings, expert reviews, and detailed tech insights.